Okay, so what is a property of a transition metal but not a group 1 metal? Now, again, core knowledge. Transition metals are coloured compounds, where group 1 are white, and transition metals have a higher melting point. So if we know that core knowledge, the only one that matches sensible is option B. We've then got copper is a transition metal, reacts with copper sulfate to form the solution. Magnesium sulfate is colourless. Describe two changes. So if we just, let's just write this out. That's what we've got taking place. So this is colourless. Now hopefully we're starting to remember that this is a blue coloured solution. So what we'd see first of all is the blue coloured solution would start to fade because we're starting to make this colourless solution instead. And the other thing we'd see, this is a silver coloured metal, but this here is a red brown metal, and that would start to form. So we'd get this red brown solid starting to form. Okay, right. Now I've got a little bit of knowledge on rusting. So it says, give name for objects and substances need to rust. Remember that to rust we need water. We've got water there, but we also need oxygen present to make things rust. The rate of rusting can increase using seawater. Describe an experiment to compare how much an iron nail rusts in seawater when compared to just regular water. So what you would do here is you would get two nails, and one is placed in a test tube of seawater. So you put one of them inside a test tube of seawater and the other in water, so a test tube of water. Okay, you would then leave the test tubes for a few days. When we did it in class, we actually left them for a whole week. And then what you would do is you would observe the nails after this period of time. And you're looking for any signs of rusting. Observe nails after time, and we'll put there compare appearance, because one of them will have rusted far more quickly. Okay, carrying on. Rusting can be prevented by galvanizing, which involves coating it with zinc. A small bucket was galvanized. Surface of the bucket was 0.68 meters squared. Calculate the mass of zinc required to coat the surface of the bucket with a layer of 200 grams per decimeter cubed. Okay, so what it's asking us to do then, this bucket, and it wants us to coat the bucket in this layer of zinc, and it wants the zinc to be 200 grams per decimeter thick. So all I've got to do here is I've got meters and I've got meters, so that's okay. All I've got to do here then is take the zero. Oh, go back to blue a minute. Don't like that. So back to blue. All I've got to do here then is take the 0.68 meters squared and then multiply that by 100, and that's going to give me 136 grams of the substance required.